Welcome to the Maestro Sersea podcast, where English learners worldwide learn and increase fluency in American English. As an English learner who moved to the United States of America more than 40 years ago, I began learning American English with the guidance and encouragement of my teachers. As an American English teacher, with over 30 years of experience teaching English learners in California, USA, I know that learning English is neither easy nor simple. Learning English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Let's work together to help you succeed.
Welcome to the Learn American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. For the next few months, our podcasts published on Fridays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, Weekend Road Trips in Southern California, United States of America. In addition, during each Friday episode, we'll also include an informative article on each of the 50 American states, inspired by Maestro Sersea's book published on Amazon titled 300 American English Dialogues for English Learners. Let's talk and learn about states of the USA. Are you ready? Let's begin.
You are listening to the ebook Weekend Road Trips in Southern California, United States of America by Maestro Sersea. Today we will focus on Chapter 8 Relaxing Retreats, including subchapters, Spa Getaways in Palm Springs, as well as beachfront resorts in Laguna Beach. You can also read this text online and interact with our artificial intelligence chatbot by visiting the ebook page of our website, www.sersea.com. And now, let's begin. Chapter 8 Relaxing Retreats. Spa Getaways in Palm Springs. Living in Southern California has given me the privilege of discovering hidden gems and seeking out new adventures. And when it comes to finding the perfect weekend escape, nothing compares to the enchanting allure of Palm Springs. Nestled at the base of the majestic San Jacinto Mountains, this desert oasis is not only known for its breathtaking landscape and year-round sunshine, but also for its indulgent spa getaways. In this chapter, I invite you to come along with me on a journey of ultimate relaxation and pampering in the serenely tranquil surroundings of Palm Springs. Picture yourself immersing in the unparalleled bliss of luxurious spa resorts and wellness retreats that dot the Palm Springs landscape. Each one promises an escape into a world of serenity and rejuvenation, tailored to meet your unique desires and needs. From invigorating massages to revitalizing body wraps and rejuvenating facials, these havens of relaxation have it all. Close your eyes and envision stepping into a haven of tranquility as you enter the elegant spa facilities in Palm Springs. The soft lighting, harmonious melodies, and calming scents instantly embrace you, relieving any tensions or stress that may have tagged along on your journey. Every detail, meticulously crafted, sets the stage for unparalleled relaxation, urging you to let go and surrender to the experience. But there's more to a spa getaway in Palm Springs than just lavish treatments. Picture yourself sinking into the warm embrace of mineral-rich hot springs. These natural pools are renowned for their therapeutic benefits, soothing muscles, easing joint pain, and promoting overall well-being. Let the water envelop your body, and let the healing minerals work their magic on your soul. After indulging in the spa's soothing treatments and the magic of the hot springs, take a moment to soak in the serene desert surroundings that Palm Springs has to offer. Many spa resorts boast stunning outdoor spaces, adorned with lush gardens, tranquil pools, and awe-inspiring views of the surrounding mountains. Find a cozy spot, bask in the warm sunshine, and allow the peaceful ambience to envelop you, rejuvenating your spirit in the process. Yet, the wonders of Palm Springs extend far beyond the walls of the spa resorts. Venture into the vibrancy of its downtown area, strolling through trendy boutiques, perusing art galleries, and sipping coffee at charming cafes. Treat your taste buds to a culinary adventure at one of the city's renowned restaurants, where talented chefs expertly blend local flavors with international cuisines, creating an unforgettable gastronomic experience. As the evening sets in, embrace the lively nightlife that Palm Springs is renowned for. Lose yourself in the captivating rhythm of live music, dance the night away, or simply unwind with a refreshing cocktail in hand as you soak in the vibrant atmosphere. The energy and excitement of this desert city seamlessly complement the serenity of your spa getaway, injecting just the right amount of excitement into your rejuvenating escape. A spa getaway in Palm Springs is an invitation to pause, to let go, and to nurture your body and soul. It's a chance to escape the demands of everyday life and indulge in moments of pure bliss and relaxation. Whether you're seeking physical rejuvenation, mental clarity, or simply a break from the ordinary, Palm Springs welcomes you with open arms, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Beachfront resorts in Laguna Beach. Have you ever dreamt of waking up to the sound of crashing waves and the warmth of the golden sun on your face? Well, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine stepping onto the balcony of your beachfront suite in Laguna Beach, greeted by the breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. It's like stepping into a dream. The beachfront resorts in Laguna Beach are a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. Every detail has been carefully thought out to provide you with the most tranquil and indulgent experience possible. From the elegant decor to the spacious rooms, everything is designed to make you feel like royalty. And did I mention the ocean views? They are absolutely mesmerizing. You can't help but be captivated by the beauty of nature. But it's not just about the luxurious accommodations. These beachfront resorts go above and beyond to ensure your well-being. They offer a range of amenities focused on enhancing your relaxation and rejuvenation. Pamper yourself at the on-site spa, where skilled therapists will transport you to a state of pure bliss. Let the stress melt away as you indulge in a soothing massage or a revitalizing facial. It's like a reset button for your mind, body, and soul. And once you've pampered yourself to your heart's content, it's time to embrace the natural beauty that awaits you. These beachfront resorts have direct access to pristine beaches, inviting you to sink your toes into the soft sands and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the ocean. Take a leisurely stroll along the shore, feel the cool water caress your feet, or simply bask in the sun and let the worries of the world melt away. It's a moment of pure bliss. And when night falls, the beachfront resorts come alive with a vibrant dining scene. Experience the flavors of the ocean as you enjoy delectable seafood dishes and innovative culinary creations. Imagine dining on a seaside terrace, with panoramic ocean views to enhance the already incredible flavors. It's a feast for the senses, an experience you won't soon forget. So, whether you're in need of a weekend getaway, a romantic escape, or simply a chance to unwind and recharge, the beachfront resorts in Laguna Beach are the perfect haven for relaxation. Lose yourself in the stunning ocean views, indulge in spa treatments that transport you to a state of bliss, and let the pristine beaches soothe your soul. Laguna Beach is calling, ready to envelop you in a world of serenity and beauty. Are you ready to answer the call? Colorado facts and places to visit. Colorado is filled with breathtaking natural beauty and fascinating history and culture. From the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the rolling plains of the eastern part of the state, there is no shortage of stunning landscapes to explore. With a rich and diverse history dating back to prehistoric times, Colorado boasts a wealth of cultural and historical attractions that will leave even the most seasoned traveler in awe. Colorado has something for everyone, whether you are a nature lover, a history buff, or simply someone looking for an unforgettable vacation destination. This blog post will explore some of the state's most interesting facts and places to visit. From world-renowned national parks and iconic landmarks to lesser-known gems just waiting to be discovered, we will take you on a journey through one of America's most beloved and fascinating states. So buckle up, sit back, and get ready to discover all that Colorado has to offer. 1. Colorado is the 8th most populous state in the U.S., with over 5.7 million people. Colorado, USA, is the 8th most populous state in the country, according to recent estimates, with over 5.7 million people. The state is renowned for its striking natural beauty, including the majestic Rocky Mountains, vast grasslands, and numerous waterways. The state also boasts a thriving economy and a diverse cultural scene that attracts visitors worldwide. Those interested in learning more about Colorado facts and information are encouraged to explore Colorado tourism resources, which offer a wealth of information about the state's communities, landmarks, and attractions. Whether planning a trip to Colorado or simply wanting to expand your knowledge of this fascinating state, there's no shortage of resources available to help you do so. 2. Colorado is known for its majestic Rocky Mountains stretching across the state. Colorado, located in the western United States, is rich in natural treasures and one of the most popular tourist states. One of the top draws to this beautiful state is its majestic Rocky Mountains, which stretch across the state and offer some of the most breathtaking views and unforgettable outdoor adventures Colorado offers. Known for its towering peaks, deep canyons, and stunning vistas, the Rocky Mountains offer a wide range of activities year-round, including hiking, skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing, camping, and much more. The beauty of Colorado's Rocky Mountains is unparalleled, making it a top choice for visitors to the state. 3. Colorado is home to one of the most visited national parks in the U.S., Rocky Mountain National Park. Colorado is a beautiful western state of the USA known for its stunning natural beauty. One of the most popular places to visit in Colorado is Rocky Mountain National Park, which is a must-see attraction for any Colorado tourism enthusiast. The park is located in northern Colorado, covering 415 square miles. It is one of the most visited national parks in the U.S. and a top attraction for anyone interested in hiking, wildlife viewing, and scenic drives. Rocky Mountain National Park has many wildlife species, including elk, black bears, moose, bighorn sheep, and much more. The park also offers visitors a chance to explore alpine lakes, glaciers, and the famous Trail Ridge Road, which offers breathtaking views of the Rocky Mountains. 4. Colorado has many outdoor activities, including skiing, snowshoeing, hiking, and camping. Regarding outdoor activities, Colorado is a haven for adventure seekers. Colorado, located in the western part of the USA, offers a variety of outdoor activities that appeal to visitors of all ages. Skiing and snowshoeing are popular winter activities in Colorado, given its abundance of snow-capped mountains. The state also boasts of world-class ski resorts that attract skiers from all over the world. In the warmer months, hiking and camping are great ways to explore the state's natural beauty. With over 23 million acres of public land, including 42 state parks and 4 national parks, Colorado has unlimited opportunities for outdoor adventure. The state's diverse landscapes, ranging from mountains to plains, offer various trail options, making it perfect for hiking enthusiasts of all levels. Colorado's wildlife is abundant, and visitors are likely to spot elk, bison, and even bears in their natural habitats. Overall, Colorado tourism offers visitors a spectacular range of outdoor activities throughout the year. 5. The capital of Colorado is Denver, which has a thriving cultural scene with plenty of art galleries, museums, and live music venues. Colorado, USA, is a beautiful state full of breathtaking natural wonders, outdoor activities, and exciting places to visit. One of the most fascinating cities in Colorado is Denver, which is also the capital. Denver is a bustling city known for its thriving cultural scene, which includes many art galleries, museums, and live music venues. The Denver Art Museum is a must-visit for art enthusiasts and features an impressive collection of Native American artwork. The city is also home to the Museum of Contemporary Art, showcasing contemporary art from local and national artists. Music lovers can enjoy a variety of concerts all year round at music venues like the historic Red Rocks Amphitheater and the Bluebird Theater. In addition, the city hosts festivals throughout the year, including the famous Great American Beer Festival. Denver's cultural scene is a prime example of why Colorado is one of the top tourist destinations in the USA. To sum up, Colorado is a state that offers unparalleled natural beauty, a rich history, and a vibrant culture. There are so many unique places to visit that it's impossible to see everything in one trip. Colorado has something for everyone to enjoy, from the majestic Rocky Mountains to the quaint towns that dot the landscape. Colorado is the perfect destination whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for your next adventure or a history buff looking to learn about the Old West. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and prepare for an unforgettable journey through one of America's most beautiful states.
Thank you for being part of today's podcast with Maestro Sersea, where English learners worldwide learn American English. Due to popular demand, we are now sharing educational podcasts 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. In the meanwhile, if you'd like to access a variety of educational offerings, feel free to visit our website at www.sersea.com. Learning American English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Keep up the good work.